everybody falls off the meditation wagon, and actually it doesn't matter too much. Of course, we are aiming to come back to this practice on a daily basis. The more we do, the more we see the benefits. It's as simple as that. But of course, sometimes we'll miss it. And it's really important in the spirit of meditation and mindfulness that we don't berate ourselves and give ourselves a really hard time because we missed a day. The important thing is just to turn up the next day and we just pick it up again. Or maybe even we missed it in the morning and we remember in the evening. It's okay, we don't have to wait till tomorrow. It's okay, we can do it. If we have time, we can kind of do it now as well. So I think it's just really important to be very gentle with yourself, and at the same time, it's like a gentle commitment or a gentle dedication where each time, each day you're coming back to it. And as long as you remember that, that's the most important thing. In terms of the practicalities of it, I'd say if you are sort of a week into a new pack or something like that and you miss it for a little while, then for sure go back to the start of the pack. If it's just been a few days, don't worry. If it's a week, maybe go back to the start. If it's a month, for sure you might just want a refresher. Maybe go back and do take 10 and just get comfortable again, sitting for 10 minutes a day and then go back to your pack. But the most important thing, as I say, is just to get back on the horse and pick it up again.